On a Friday afternoon, September 11, 2015, less than 2 weeks before the Hajj pilgrimage, a powerful storm took down a giant construction crane at the Grand Mosque in Mecca. It crashed onto hundreds of pilgrims inside the mosque compound. 111 people died, hundreds more were injured. The majority of the victims were from Iran, Turkey, Afghanistan, Pakistan and Egypt. Saudi King Salman visited the scene of the disaster and ordered an investigation. He also visited the injured in hospital. The royal palace announced that victims and their families would be compensated 1 million Saudi riyals, or $266,000 for every death, and half that amount for each of the injured. Contracts with the giant Bin Laden Construction Group, which was in charge of the renovation of the Grand Mosque, were suspended. A travel ban was imposed on its senior staff pending the results of the investigation. The investigating committee accused the company of contravening the manufacturer's instructions that the crane should be lowered when not in use or during heavy winds. But a Saudi court said there wasn't enough evidence and cleared the Bin Laden Group of any responsibility. Instead, it found the extreme weather conditions, heavy rain, lightning strikes and high winds were to blame, and not human neglect. The court lifted the travel ban on the group's employees and ruled that no diya or blood money is to be paid to the victims. Saudi Arabia's Attorney General says he'll appeal the ruling. There was dismay too from social media activists. The compensation pledged by King Salman was seen as a gesture of royal compassion and nothing to do with the so-called blood money. But it's not clear if or when that money will be paid to the victims. Mohammed, Vall, Al Jazeera.